Right now we're looking at an app called iMuscle2. If you can see the URL in the top here, 3d4medical.com/apps/imuscle-2. Go back down. We can also see in the bottom the quickest way to download this application right here at the bottom of the screen, iMuscle2 download. Now, the big thing that they say is rediscover your workout experience, but it's also a great educational tool. Right here is a little quick about info. Everything you need to plan and track your fitness program. It's got an anatomically correct model where you can identify muscles. It maps out the muscles with hundreds of exercises and makes it what they call ideal for fitness instructors and physiotherapists. One of the great things about it is that it encourages you to get moving. It encourages you to explore your muscles and find different exercises that target those muscles. This can be a great opportunity for students to learn more about their muscles, where they're located, and what exercises can be used to best target those muscles. A great thing about the app, is that it has animations to display the exercises and show exactly what muscles are moving while performing the exercises. Primary and secondary muscles are both identified, and these exercises can be added to any workout with just the tap of a button. So it's really easy to look at an animation, say, hey, I can do that, and add it to a workout. One of my favorite things about it is that you can create and play your own workouts. There are 50 preset workouts that allow you to get started right away, but there are also options where you can organize and edit those workouts. This is an excellent tool for students to be able to create their own type of workout where they can customize what they enjoy and still keep them moving. Another thing that's great for instructors is progress and statistics. Instructors and students alike are able to track progress and statistics. It doesn't just have to be weight, mass, and body fat. You can also track workout progress, which shows the endurance, calories, individual exercises, and performance tracking. And my favorite part of this app is that you can sync data and share workouts. This would be a great opportunity for students to use this in a physical education classroom to share their workouts with their instructor or with their peers, and even design workouts for their peers based on the data or the progress and statistics that have been gathered throughout previous workouts. So all in all, I believe iMuscle2 is an excellent application made by 3D4Medical, which allows students to identify muscles, create workouts, track their progress, and share with their peers. It allows for reciprocal teaching as well as a self-directed approach where students can analyze themselves, learn more about themselves, and become engaged in activity.